As some of you may remember, I've had some problems with this side blind on the motorhome. The catch, there's a hinge here and that broke off. I've tried gluing it, but that didn't work, and you can see it broke off again. And now I've ordered the parts and I'm struggling to figure out how to get this off again. Now, someone said that there's a small indentation where the hinge fits into the bottom bracket there. So I'm going to have a look, see if I can figure out how to get rid of that small indentation. Let me show you what I've been sent anyway. So what arrived was the whole hinge, the whole thing. So that's the thing that goes in there, which I've already got. Nothing wrong with that. Plus the bit that slides inside, which I've already got, because that's all right too. You can see the old thing in there. That's still in there, and that's where it broke off. So I can replace that. They also sent me some new hinges. You can see those are the new hinges. There's one for each side, so I've actually got two, even though that one's not broken. And there's some top hinges as well, which I don't need. So all I really need is one of these hinges. I assume they're left and right because they're slightly different. I'm not sure which is which yet. One's slightly big, well, they're both lopsided, but I don't know which is which. I'll find out in a minute. And all of that cost me £26 for what is effectively that's all I need. Now, looking at these two hinges, there's got some tiny writing in there, and the last letter on one of them says R, and the other letter on the other one says L. So I'm guessing that's left and right. But can you see the little indentation there? That's the reason I can't get it out. There's some sort of thing in there that's stopping that coming out, and I don't know what it is, because on here we can't see anything on here. It feels like there's something inside there. I'm a little bit unwilling to put a drill on that, but I think I'm going to have to. It's going to be interesting. Right, so I really don't want to do this, but I can't see any other way of doing this. I'm going to have to drill a hole there. Now I've hit plastic now. Will it come out? What the hell? Still won't come out. This is ridiculous. Well, it's taken me about half an hour of drilling and pulling and scraping, and starting to come out now. What a pain. I think it's because it's glued in. So if you have one of these that breaks, don't glue it in. Well, I think I've finally got what remains of the tongue of the unit. You can see the glue had got down inside there, that's why it wouldn't come out. So don't ever use glue on this. Right, so I think looks a bit of a mess, but I've cleaned it out inside. But because there's no retaining hole there, I'm going to actually have to glue this in. So hopefully I don't break it again, because that's never coming out again. Bit of Gorilla Glue. Not too much, because this stuff expands. Down somewhere. I'm going to leave that for a bit. Let's try and put this back together again now. It slides in there. That's it, little clip. Look. This is. Just be careful with this because not wanting. Oh, that's it. God, it's quite fiddly. That's it. I've got my little things to stop the rattles. Those hinges are quite easy to break, so do be careful with them. They're a real pain to put together. Anyway, that's a job done. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, hit the notifications icon, and you'll get updates when I release another video. So thanks for watching. See you soon.